Hey guys, welcome back to another Dallas, Texas apartment tour. Today I am in the city, Addison, Texas, and let me give you guys the name of this complex. So this complex is called Post Addison Circle. In this unit, this is a 2-bedroom, model number 4124. It's 1,023 square foot. Its current going rate right now is $1,590, but the rates do change. Just depends on when you want it. The rates will go up and down depending on the lease term and other things that goes into it. So that's the current rate. And so now I'm going to go ahead and get into the tour. So this is the front door. So as soon as you come into the door, you have your kitchen. So on the floor of the kitchen, they have tile and the rest is carpet. So I'm assuming that this is a coat closet. So yes, this is a coat closet. So as soon as you walk in, you have this coat closet right here. And then you have this little hallway right here, and it leads to the dining room. So to the left, you have your kitchen. So they have different layouts and floor plans. If you don't like this one, they have so many different ones, but this is the one that I chose to see. So you have your refrigerator. You have cabinets on the top of the refrigerator. You have another cabinet on the side. A little countertop space right there. A drawer, another cabinet. And right here in the corner is the pantry. A nice size pantry. And then right here is the laundry room. So you have your washer and dryer, and then you have a little storage space right here on top. And this is in the kitchen. So from this corner, you have your sink. You have more drawers and cabinets. You have your electric oven and stovetop. Another one of those small little counter space. And then you see me right there. You have another cabinets over the microwave, and they just have lots of cabinet space. The backsplash is this white tile. You have like a nice, nice space for the sink, deep sink. And let me back up so that you guys can get a different view. So here's a different view of the kitchen. I'm backing up so that you guys can see. But it's a nice open kitchen. It opens up to the dining room. So you do have your own little dining room area. Here's the light. And then right here, you can add bar stools if you would like. Honestly, despite the fact of this being a dining room area, you can even change that into like an office, a playroom, or just whatever. A little seating area, because it has this divided wall. So now I'm going to take you guys into the living room. So before we get to the living room, you have this shelf, which is pretty cool. You can add some pictures or decor right here, or whatever you want. It's your place if you decide to come here. So here's the living room, a whole lot of natural sunlight. You have carpet in here, ceiling fan, and just windows everywhere. Windows right there, 3 windows. And then look right here, a fireplace. So I'm not sure if all the units have fireplaces, but this one has a fireplace, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go into bedroom number 1. So here's the first bedroom to the right. You have a whole lot of natural sunlight, ceiling fans, carpet, and then you have this big old closet space. There you go, it's the same size on both sides. But yeah, this is a nice size closet. And it's deep too, even though it's not a walk-in, it's still a deep closet. You have shelving space on top. So it goes all the way back there, and you can put things at the bottom. I personally would add another rack right here to just utilize the space. And then I'm gonna take you guys to bedroom number 2, but I think there's also a bathroom. So yeah, there's a bathroom right here. So here's the bathroom. You have a little shelf right here for towels or whatever else you keep in the bathroom. A sink, and then here's a mirror. You have a window over your shower, which is pretty cool. And then let's go to bedroom number 2. So this has to be the master. Ceiling fans, a whole bunch of natural sunlight, carpet, and I like this color carpet. And then you have the second bathroom. So let's go in the second bathroom. Okay. So here's the second bathroom. The same type of countertops throughout the whole entire house. The mirror. You have your toilet. And then you have your bathtub. And behind the door, you have your closet, your walk-in closet. So they definitely utilize this small space. I like how they add these shelves and the racks. So here is it. This right here is a drawer. And yeah. Here's another angle of the bathroom. And it does have a medicine cabinet. Let me show you guys that. There's a medicine cabinet. So now that you guys saw the 2-bedroom, I'm going to take you guys to a 1-bedroom in the same unit.